It's a hellscape out there right now, so let's fill that hole in our heart with all the darkest foods we can muster. Instant Pot is a lovely thing for making food in a hurry. Unfortunately, if you're looking to it to solve your emotional problems, you can't! It's incapable of human emotion except for lust and jealousy. Let's eat food that is black on the outside to fill our black on the inside. Let's start with black quinoa, black soy, black vinegar, nigella seeds, black sesame, black salt, Japanese black sugar, and some black Szechuan peppercorns to numb the pain. We're still capable of pain. I know that for a fact. Instant Pot, are you ready to fill your emotional needs with food? This is black quinoa. It's the darkest quinoa, like my heart. I can't eat regular grains because my stomach is broken. These aren't a grain. Quinoa's a seed. Seeds of despair. Next, let's put in a little bit of oil, this very darkened, toasted sesame oil for a little bit of lubrication. Everything needs lubrication, or else it hurts. Inky, beautiful black soy. It's darker than regular soy. It's viscous. That'll go down darkly. This is double black vinegar. It's darker than the darkest vinegar. Nigella seeds are delightful and fragrant, and you should use them. They will remind you, slightly, of joy. Black sesame seeds, which are better than regular sesame seeds. They're a little bit toastier, earthier, seedier. I don't remember much about my life before this. I've seen pictures though. I was a goth once. Now I'm just me. Black lava salt, dried, flaked, desiccated, delicious. I wish Robert Smith could come for dinner. I wish anyone could come for dinner. No one can find me. I'm by myself with Instant Pot. This is Japanese black sugar. You can really taste the despair. Black Szechuan peppercorns. Have you had Szechuan peppercorns? They numb the pain, but first they hurt your tongue to let you know you're alive. That's what I need. I could put some charcoal in this to make it darker, but you get the freaking point. There we go, making a dark, inky slurry. We could feed this to Morrissey because it's vegan, but Morrissey doesn't deserve anything nice. Johnny Marr's also a vegan. Want some quinoa, Johnny? Now we're going to cook this on the rice setting. Isn't that nice? 12 minutes and go. Now we have time to dance. It's time to release the darkness, by which I mean the quinoa. Hello, quinoa. You're a little soupy, but that's okay. My eyeballs are burning from the Szechuan peppercorns. That's a good sign. Now it's time to taste the dark within. Gonna be like I'm eating my soul. You can really taste the despair and the human suffering. It's delicious. Morrissey, you get none.